Hi, my name is Pam Cranbeck, and I am an instructional technology facilitator at ESU3, and I'll be giving you some ideas today on how to incorporate 21st century skills into the teaching of reading vocabulary, specifically some ideas that are related to Marzano's 6-step process for vocabulary development. I'm glad you're here. The next activity that I'd like to share that incorporates 21st century skills into the teaching of vocabulary is at the ESU3 vocab.wikispaces site. You can see I've navigated there. And then along the left, you'll find Marzano's strategies, and this would be under activities to add knowledge. And at the top, I've given you some comic creators that you could use. You might want to explore that particular activity. But I'm going to scroll down just a little bit, and you can see that this particular activity is going to address communication, creativity, and ICT literacy in addition to the reading skill that it's addressing of vocabulary development. So in there you can see one that I've created. We'll go ahead and kind of do something similar to that. And I'm going to go to the Wordle.net. So when I click on that particular link, it's going to take me to the Wordle website, and then I'm simply going to click on Create, and either one of these links is going to take you to the same location. And the vocabulary word that we want is defense, so I'm going to type that in a number of times here, and you can copy and paste if you'd like. I'm just going to go ahead and type it in a number of times here. And then what I would do is I would ask the students to come up with synonyms for defense. And for this particular Tier 2 word, maybe they came up with the word protect. You might have students say that 2 or 3 times. Cover, guard, that's one that seems like they come up with a lot just because I think the basketball connotation there. And we'll just kind of keep going. I'll type protection, secure, and you don't have to put them on a separate line like I was. You can put them on the same line. And then once you have that typed in, you might want to copy it if you're typing it, just in case you want to come back to it and paste it in again. But I'll go ahead and click on Go. And you can see that it has brought them in. This one is very vertical, and so that we can see it on the screen, I'm going to go ahead and say mostly horizontal. You can change the color if you'd like. Okay, and you kind of get the idea here. You can relay it out if you'd like. You can change fonts. We'll just do a little bit of this so you can see how that works. And keep making changes to it. But you get your vocabulary word, and then you get your synonyms that the students have given you around it. So it really creates a nice visual image. Post that around the room, have it in different places. But the kids really seem to like that. And you can just kind of keep playing with it until you get it the way you want. And that is Wordle. After completing this activity, we would again like for you to think about where it fits in the 21st century skills framework, where each activity fits in Marzano's 6-step process, and where it fits with your reading goals.